Hey, I'm Ollie from Quicksilver Exhausts, and we're down here with the R8 Whisperer Ricky Elder at R8 Performance for the first fit of our Euro Spec 2020 R8 exhaust. The Euro Spec car features completely different manifolds and a different exhaust to accommodate the new gasoline particulate filters or OPF filters if you're over in the mainland. These are what's really robbing the car of the sound. So on this exhaust, this part here is modular. There's a flange here, exactly where it appears on the OE system, and you can choose to fit the system as GPF back or delete the GPFs as well for the ultimate sound and performance.
Good. Happy customer then.